Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to our lovable grade 3 maths class. Today we are going to see about chapter number 9, topic is multiplication. In today's session we are going to learn about properties of multiplication. In properties of multiplication they have given four types. So first one, commutative property, associative property, properties of 1 and properties of 0. Okay children, let's see one by one property. So the first property, commutative property. While multiplying two numbers, if we change their order, the product remains the same. This property is called the order order property or commutative property of multiplication. So while adding the two numbers, if you are changing their order only, so the product remains the same. Let's see the example. 6 into 5 equal to 30. Again 5 into 6 equal to 30. So in the sum we are changing only the order. So the product remains the same. So that is 30. So 6 into 5 is equal to 5 into 6. We get the answer 30. So only we are changing the order. So product remains the same. Next, associative property. While adding 3 or more numbers, if you change their order, the product remains the same. This property is called the group property or associative property of multiplication. Let's see the example. 2 into 5 into 6 equal to 60. 5 into 6 into 2 is equal to 60. So, in this associative property, while multiplying 3 or more numbers, if you are changing their order only, so the product remains the same. So here also we are changing order, but answer remains the same. So that is 2 into 5 into 6 equal to 5 into 6 into 2 is equal to 60. Okay, so another one example, 25 into 6 into 9 is equal to 6 into 9 into 25 is equal to, we get the answer 1350. So in associative property and commutative property, this two property we are changing only the order. So the answer remains the same. Okay children. And next, property of 1. On multiplying any number by 1, the product is the same as the number. This property is called identity property of multiplication. One is called the multiplicative identity. Let's see the example. 28 into 1, we get 28. So when multiplying a number 1, the product is the same as the number. So that is 28 into 1, we get 28. So 678 into 1, we get 678. Next, property of 0. On multiplying any number by 0, the product is also 0. So 56 into 0 is equal to 0. On multiplying any number by 0, the product is also a 0. So 0 is a nothing. So 0 is no value. So multiplying with 0, we get the answer 0. So 4516 into 6 equal to 0. Okay children, did you all clear about fourth property? Very good children. And today we discussed about multiplication of properties. So commutative property, associative property, property of 1 and property of 0. And today your homework part will be on your concept book and workbook. Practice zone 8 in your book, concept book, page number 115, solve the following. Next, second one, in your workbook, page number 78, match the following. Next, page number 83, MCQ question. Choose the correct option. So, children, everyone, read the question carefully and choose the correct option. Next, page number 84, application part. Count the following data and you have to write the classroom and you have to count the number of seat in a row and number of rows in the classroom, and you have to write the total number of seat. Okay, children, and the first one, which class has the most number of seat? Second one, which class has the least number of the seats? Third one, write the multiplication sum to show the number of seat in the classroom. Fourth one, have you used any multiplication table? Yes or no? Fifth one, I learned dash while doing this application. Sixth one, I would like to thank for helping me in this application. Seventh one, I completed this application in dash days. So children, everyone finish your homework on time and send it in Google Classroom grade 3 Max. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe, stay connected and keep learning.